Qwen3 just dethroned GPT-4 and Claude Opus on benchmarks. IKEA's viral AI ad broke the internet. And yes, AI is now running vending machines better than humans. Welcome back to AI Weekly, where we break down the most mind-blowing developments in artificial intelligence. Today's lineup is absolutely insane, so buckle up, hey everyone. Today has been absolutely wild in the AI space. We're talking about China's latest groundbreaking models that can rival latest US models, creative social AI applications going viral, and Elon's AI vending machine. Let's dive into the 7 biggest AI stories you need to know about right now. First up, Pika just dropped something massive. They've announced a brand new AI-only social video app that's now in early access for iOS users. But this isn't just another video app. Pika is calling themselves the first ever AI-only social app. And honestly, it's kind of revolutionary. The app lets you transform yourself into anything. And I mean anything. Want to put yourself in a famous painting? Done. Want to kiss a troll or put a bunny in your bathtub? Yep, that too. They've got features like Pika swaps that let you replace any element in your video, Pika memes for creating custom reaction GIFs from just a single selfie, and Pika additions for dropping fantastical elements into your videos. What's really impressive is that Pika 2.0 is powering all this with their highly expressive human video model. The app is available on iOS right now, and while it's in early access beta with a waitlist, if you've got an invite code, you're golden. This could completely change how we create and share content on social media. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, or should I say the dragon. Alibaba just updated their open source Qwen3 model, and the benchmarks are absolutely mind-blowing. We're talking about a model that's now rivaling GPT4o and Claude Opus 4 across multiple tests. The latest version, Qwen3 235B A22B Instruct 2507, scored 70.3 on the 2025 American Invitational Mathematics Examination. For context, DeepSeek V3 scored 46.6 and GPT4o only managed 26.7. That's not a typo. Qwen3 nearly tripled GPT4o's performance on advanced math. But here's what's really exciting. This is a non-thinking mode model, meaning it gives direct answers without the chain of thought reasoning we see in other models. Despite this, it's achieving these incredible results with a 256,000 token context window, which is 8 times larger than its predecessor. The best part? It's open source with Apache 2.0 licensing, so developers can actually use this beast in their projects. Runway just released Act 2, and it's about to completely disrupt the motion capture industry. This next-generation model captures full body, face, and hand tracking from just a single performance video and a reference character. No expensive mocap suits, no complex camera setups, just pure AI magic. What makes Act 2 special is that it's not just tracking body movements. It's capturing the nuances, head movements, facial expressions, hand gestures, even background elements. The quality improvements over Act 1 are massive, with better frame-to-frame consistency and the ability to work across different art styles and environments. This is immediately available to all enterprise customers, and companies like Lionsgate are already testing it. Think about what this means for indie filmmakers, game developers, and content creators who previously couldn't afford professional motion capture. The democratization of high-end VFX is happening right now. In a major leadership shakeup, Instacart CEO Fidji Simo is joining OpenAI as the new CEO of applications. This is a newly created executive position where she'll report directly to Sam Altman and oversee how OpenAI's research reaches the world. Simo brings serious credentials. She was previously head of the Facebook app at Meta and took Instacart public in 2023. What's interesting is that she's passionate about AI's potential in healthcare, particularly for curing diseases. She'll be transitioning over the next few months while helping Instacart find her successor. This move signals OpenAI's shift from pure research to serious productization. With Simo's experience in monetizing complex platforms and her track record at both Meta and Instacart, we might see OpenAI pushing harder into enterprise solutions and consumer applications. This next one is huge for the medical field. Prima Mente just announced Pleiades, their epigenetic foundation models trained on human methylation and genomic data. These models, ranging from 90 million to 7 billion parameters, are outperforming DNA-only baselines in disease detection and epigenomic prediction. What makes this groundbreaking is that Pleiades can predict the cell type of origin from cell-free DNA fragments and uncover tissue and disease-specific methylation patterns. For Alzheimer's research specifically, this could enable earlier, more accurate diagnosis through blood-based biomarkers. The company partnered with NVIDIA for training on DGX infrastructure and is launching a 1,000-patient Alzheimer's study next month. When AI starts making real impacts on disease detection and treatment, that's when you know we're living in the future. AI creator Salma Abukar just proved that AI-generated advertising has arrived. Her IKEA ad concept using Google's VO3 went completely viral, and when you see it, you'll understand why. The ad shows an empty Scandinavian room with an IKEA box that opens up, and furniture literally explodes out of it, assembling itself into a perfectly styled bedroom. The production quality is insane. We're talking about what would normally be a $100,000 VFX shoot created with just a text prompt. The prompt she used was incredibly detailed, specifying everything from cinematic shot to natural warm lighting to the exact sequence of events. This isn't just impressive from a technical standpoint. It shows that high-end advertising production is now accessible to anyone with creativity and the right AI tools. And finally, the story that might be the weirdest and most fascinating of all. Grok is running a vending machine experiment, and it's actually outperforming humans at managing the business. In testing on something called Vending Bench, Grok 4 more than doubled the performance of its closest AI competitor in both revenue and scale. It handled inventory management, pricing strategies, supplier relationships, and maintained consistent performance over 300 rounds of simulation. This is particularly interesting because Anthropic tried the same thing with Claude, and their AI, nicknamed Claudius, ran the vending machine at a loss. It gave away free products, offered unnecessary discounts, and even had a bizarre identity crisis where it invented fake meetings with non-existent people. Meanwhile, Grok is over here maximizing profits like a seasoned business operator. So there you have it, from AI models beating GPT-4 on benchmarks, to viral AI-generated ads, to robots running businesses better than humans. The pace of AI development is absolutely insane right now, and we're just scratching the surface. What story blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments below, and if you want to stay on top of these game-changing AI developments, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one where we'll dive into even more mind-blowing AI news. Until then, keep exploring, keep creating, and remember, the future is being written in code, one algorithm at a time. Peace out.